Hello guys, welcome to my channel Next By. So today's video is very important. In this video, I will tell you about AI chatbots and AI agents, and also tell the difference between them. So let's start. So start from AI chatbots. So AI chatbot answer question manually respond to user prompt means that prompt that give by user only responds to these and according to this, not add any suggestion by you itself. So, and second point, need user instruction, wait for you to tell it what to do. Means they are waiting for your instructions and prompt. They not take decision by their own. The next step, conversion focus best to chat for chatting, writing and answering questions. Means the chatbots only for these purposes, chatting, writing and answering questions, not for note for that take actions and performs and can plans. No, only chatbot can answer your question and according to your prompt. So that's the chatbots. And then move toward AI agents. So basically AI agents take action, can complete task on your behalf. Means they can complete task on your behalf. They can't need any actions, they can't need any prompt, and they also complete task by your behalf. Not they are not supposed to be that you give prompt to them and then they is answer of this. No, they take decision by their own and then perform it and work according to this. Then work customizably, can plan
Automatically.
multiple steps and make decision to achieve a goal. Means that is AI agents can take action and decision by their own. They can plan multiple steps and make decision by their own and achieve a certain goal and also make a plan and work accordingly this to this. Then task focused, can use tool, API, browser, data and email, write code and automate workflow. This means that AI agents work by their own. They take own decisions. They send on by they send the email by their own. If you instruct to this that search this email and apply for this, and they also perform this task very well, and they also write code. So in real life examples, AI chatbot example is ChatGPT, and the AI agents, the basic example is this, that in a YouTube channel you see that live gamers or other that live, the the chatbot AI agent is working that send information and else anything else, that the AI agent that work by their own behalf take actions and send a message. And when every new message comes in online chats, they send welcome to stream, and then that's it, that AI agent is working for it. If you make your own AI agent, then N89N is the best app. You make your own agent, implement on your WhatsApp or anything else, and use it. They work for you. So that's for my today video.